Assigning a workflow is a lot like signing an assessment or a 360. The difference is you don't order a workflow from the catalog. So whereas with a typical test, you would go into the catalog, you would search for it, find it, add it to your cart, order it. A workflow is something that once it's published and built, which there's a video on authoring workflows and publishing workflows, it's just available to your inventory. So you change the radio button from assessments to workflows, and I have a few pre-configured here. And then the assignment process is exactly like any other assignment process. I could click on something called results, hit continue. At that point, I can upload or select or create candidates. I'll search for candidates here. I'll do a quick advanced search and search by my name. So do that. Basic search. It'll bring up anyone that matches that search criteria. I'll just add a couple of them. Add those checked people. Click continue. It's going to give me some options, but you'll notice email is missing. So if you need to email candidates as part of a workflow, that needs to be configured inside the workflow. There's an email activity. So what this does when you assign someone to a workflow, you're just enabling them to do whatever process you've put inside that workflow. So that's a little bit of a subtle difference on the assignment side. You can still add them to a group. If there are reports inside the workflow, you can share that. And it will give you a review of what's happened just like any other assignment. I could change the workflow that I've selected. I could change the candidates, but I'll just click assign here. Those 3 people that I've assigned to will be assigned to the workflow. Now, as I mentioned before, but I want to make this 100% clear, I did get emails for these candidates, but it's because that email activity was set up in my workflow. So for more information, check out building workflows. But that's the assignment process, just like assigning candidates from a standard test order, except you don't order and you don't need to send them emails directly.